If we adjust the rigging here, the movement will be much smoother for the animation sequence.
I agree. The current iteration is causing some pinching right here.
This is the completed Proboscis monkey model. The detail is exquisite, and as indicated by the stamp, it is now fully approved.
So the biodiversity data feeds directly into the asset creation pipeline here.
Right, ensuring accurate rendering at this.
We should focus the integration here, near the symbiotic layer.
How does that affect the VFX breakdown for the fur texture?
I'm noting that down as a priority.
Here, amidst the vibrant digital canopy, the majestic Proboscis monkey moves with unparalleled grace.
The fur density and sheen sliders allow us to control the light. We can also adjust the subsurface scattering for...
The level of detail here is unprecedented. Every strand of fur, every nuanced skin fold.
We've finalized the rigging, and the movement is very smooth now.
Excellent. The textures on the fur came out incredibly realistic.
By processing the raw data, we've created a truly lifelike digital entity, as you can see by the subtle breathing effect.
Notice the meticulous detail in the fur. Each follicle is individually modeled, seamlessly blending into the skin pores.
We use the archival footage to refine the gait. The physics simulation overlay helps us match the weight distribution exactly.
The joint articulation at the shoulder seems too rigid when it lands. I agree. We need to smooth that transition.
And ensure the muscle bulge is accurate for that pose.
and food. We use the human performance data to capture the nuance of the movement before applying it to the digital model. It ensures
Look at the detail on the hornbill here.
It's incredible how close the simulation is.
Yeah, especially the water dynamics in the foreground.
Yeah.
Integrating the subject seamlessly requires meticulous attention to detail, ensuring the foliage reacts naturally to the light.
The detail on the fur is exceptional.
The ethical rigging really paid off here.
It looks completely real.
Yeah.
The lighting on the CGI is perfect. It looks completely real.
I agree. This will resonate well with the audience.
We are seeing very positive feedback in the initial tests.
We meticulously synchronized the monkey's movements with these authentic grunts and the surrounding rainforest sounds.
Look at the subtle movements in the tail.
And the color grading on the leaves matches perfectly.
Yeah. This is the best render we've done yet.
This anomaly here in the cranial structure, does this align with the regulatory overview?
Yes, Section 4B confirms the variance is within acceptable parameters.
Are we comfortable with how this represents the species? It feels slightly anthropomorphized here.
I agree. We should ensure the focus remains purely educational.
If we analyze the synthesis pathway, the compound reacts favorably at lower temperatures.
That aligns with the data we collected yesterday.
This stunningly realistic rendering highlights the beauty of the Bornean ecosystem. And
The deforestation rate spiked right here based on this data point on the front.
Confirmed by the satellite imagery.
The nasal structure here is slightly off according to the annotation. Yeah.
And the green data overlay confirms the deviation.
Our commitment to ethical guidelines is paramount. The research data clearly shows the impact. And
the Proboscis monkey, iconic to the Bornean rainforest, is now critically endangered. We must protect their habitat.
The central screen displays the final render, while this overlay clearly details the digital creation process and the ethical guidelines we followed. By merging cinematic realism with crucial biodiversity data, we aim to inspire a new era of global conservation.
As you can see, the profitability increased by 20%, while the forest regeneration project is exceeding expectations.
The polysurface structure on the nasal cartilage is highly complex.
We need to isolate that segment for the next simulation run.
The key is getting the expression right. We use the reference footage to capture that subtle twitch around the nose.
Our state-of-the-art data centers are the backbone of an ethical and sustainable digital future.